Hi everyone, Ab Saleh with Alliance RV, and today I want to talk to you about what's new for 2024 in the Avenue lineup. We have got so many awesome enhancements that I can't wait to share with you. New exterior graphics, new interior decor, I could go on and on. We'll take a much more in-depth look at it, but I really, more importantly, want to thank everyone for their continuous feedback and support. It's what got the product to this point. You guys are my eyes and ears, and I truly appreciate it, and hope you enjoy what you see. '24 model change is right around the corner, and we're extremely excited to talk to you about what we've done differently on Avenue in a more in-depth way of showing you what we've actually changed. So today I'm not going to talk about a lot of our common features that you've come to know. I want to talk to you specifically about what's new, what you can expect. We're certainly a company that takes our customer-driven feedback seriously, and today I'm excited to talk to you about how we've implemented that. First and foremost, I want to show you our all-new graphics package on the Avenue product. It's still a very monochromatic package, great movement on it, a little lighter, a little brighter. On the front cap here, the fully painted front cap, you'll see that we did a little bit of a different spin. It still says Alliance like any of your products are gonna say, but we were able to raise that Delta sign, and it just really pops from a distance, especially when we get close like this. Another little thing we did, just a nice cosmetic touch here, is we went to the diamond embossed white skirt metal. I think it complements the gray sidewalls that we've been doing very well. Cool little feature you can't see. It's obviously daytime, it's bright, but we've got underbody lights the entire way on both sides. That's controlled from a switch inside the pass-through. When it pertains to the pass-through, we've done a lot of cool things here. First and foremost, we've increased your pass-through storage by 25%. Our engineering team worked hard on this. They were able to maximize the space, and you can see that this is a much larger offering. We've also implemented ANC charge ports and a really cool LED strip light, a 72-inch LED strip light on a motion detector sensor that is going to really brighten this pass-through up. A couple of awesome additions we've also implemented here is you may remember that we were using triple entry steps. We've made that first step much lower by going to a quad step, the step above by Moride that has the steel triggers on the bottom here. It's going to make moving these legs and adjusting this per your campsite much easier. One of my favorite features though is the safety rail by Moride. So you've got an extended grab handle that's going to your last step at 42.5 inches. This is going to make getting in and out of the Avenue much safer and much easier. Another neat thing that we've done here, if you want to follow me back here, is we've gotten so much positive feedback on this steel ladder that we were using on our all access product. It's rated for 300 pounds, where typically most of your aluminum ladders are going to be rated for 250 pounds, so much more heavy duty and stronger. So you're going to find this on all the Avenues and all the all access product as well. So great addition here. You'll also find a spray port on the back of every single fifth wheel. Just another addition that we have implemented here, and it's going to really make things a lot easier at the campsite for you. A few awesome new additions here on the off-door side of the Avenue. First and foremost, we've implemented a 60,000 BTU on-demand water heater. You're going to find this not only on the Avenue standard, but also on the All Access Series product. That's a big add, especially on a smaller fifth wheel. So we're really excited about that. Some feedback we received was, trying to simplify and make it easier in regards to getting into the pass-through from the off-door side. If you remember, we had two gas struts on one large door that you'd have to duck under to access. So what we did is we implemented this split door configuration, which makes it so much easier to access this pass-through that I mentioned earlier is 25% larger moving forward. Also, one last thing, just above me, you'll see above the Avenue logo, we implemented a motion detector light. So just an off-door scare light, motion detector light, just a little feature I've heard over and over, so we're happy to be able to add that as well. One of the things I wanted to mention on the exterior of the Avenue here is we are now standard with the off-the-grid package. The off-the-grid package is going to get you a 20 amp MPPT charge controller, a 320 watt solar panel, and it's going to be prepped for an inverter. We also have 5 dedicated outlets that are hot and ready to go. One last feature, pretty minor, but I think a pretty cool one. We've eliminated all the felt boards, so you're going to get this toy hauler rubber coin on both sides of the board, just ensuring that nothing's going to get scratched up or torn during transit. Everyone, that is all the new features that we've implemented on the exterior of the all-new Avenue and All Access. Please join me inside. There's a ton of new stuff I'm excited to show you. All right, everyone. So the first thing you're probably noticing here is this is a completely different decor. This is our all-new cashmere decor. We're still going to offer our silver oak, which is a light and bright offering. But what I love about doing this now, the goal here was to create continuity within all of our Alliance brands. The consumer loves a Delta, an Avenue, a Paradigm. It's going to give them an opportunity to choose the RV that fits them best. All right, again, a number of things to talk about here, but I want to start here in the hutch area. First and foremost, you'll notice that we went with a really decorative backsplash. This is an aluminum backsplash that just really pops in this coach. Just above that, in this little cubby, we've upgraded our USB charging stations. So now you've got A and C charge ports. One of the coolest little features we've added here is it's a dog dish. It's almost like a Lazy Susan style dog dish that I think our consumers are going to really appreciate. And if it's something you're not interested in using, it's obviously hidden very well. Another awesome upgrade to our pantry here. You'll notice the smoke glass makes it a little more decorative. But what we've done here is we've implemented adjustable shelves, and then we've also added a 110 outlet. So if a customer didn't want the Keurig over here in the hutch area, they wanted to hide it, stow it away, this is a perfect spot for it. Couple of little upgrades here in the kitchen. We went to a new design on our high-rise faucet, something in my opinion that's a little more residential, still functions perfect. Another nice feature that you'll find throughout the coach is you are not going to find any more of those, we call them pancake lights, that have a button on them. Everything is going to be a residential can light, just like we've always used in our ceiling. So a few more additions here. First and foremost, you're going to see that we went to a completely new fascia design and a new crown molding design. They match each other perfectly. We were able to also incorporate the LED lights behind the crown molding. I think it gives it a beautiful touch. Just below that, we've always had the hidden storage in our end tables. We've replaced this with hardwood tops. So it's just going to be much more appealing, much more sturdy, and everything's going to be a soft close feature as well. You'll find soft close throughout the coach in regards to your cabinets. Below this, you'll find 110 outlets with A and C charge ports. You're going to get 2 of those on both ends of the sofa. You're also going to get 2 of those on each end of the bed. And I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Lastly, in the living kitchen area, there's just a few other features I wanted to highlight. First and foremost, blackout shades, still a feature. We made them a little more decorative by going to a gray. It just complements everything in this coach so well. Also, you'll notice obviously the new design in our table. This is a hardwood floating table. And just above that, you'll get a matching light soffit that just, again, makes it much more residential. You'll find a new fabric called Mactavish in our bench cushion here. It's just something a little more subtle, but again, I think it goes great with this coach. A lot of decor updates. I hope you like what you're seeing so far, and let's work our way up into the bathroom and bedroom. As we work our way into the upper deck of the coach here, I wanted to talk about a few epoxy features that we added. First and foremost, at the entry door, we've trimmed out that entire door with a black epoxy. It looks much, much nicer. We've also implemented the black epoxy in this large grab handle as you go up here into the coach. Lastly, you'll find some epoxy in our lav countertops. Just a really nice touch that I think goes great with the decor in here. You'll also notice a very decorative shower surround that we've upgraded to. Another thing we did here is we added an illuminated light switch that always stays on. So that's going to make it much easier and much safer when you're using the restroom in the evening. Just above that, you'll find a little bathroom cubby / caddy that we have implemented as well. 3 towel hooks and a great spot to put any items you may need to. So when it pertains to the bedroom slide, just a couple of features I want to highlight here. First and foremost, we talked a little bit about this earlier, but 110 outlets that now have A and C charge ports on both sides. I also mentioned we got rid of all the pancake lights with the push buttons. So you've got full flush residential reading lights just above you. I apologize. There is a feature that we're adding that I cannot show right now. We don't have it, but this window will get removed and we'll be putting a very decorative headboard in that whole entire space there. So it'll make it extremely residential, but still give us a ton of cross ventilation with 2 windows on each side and 1 at the foot of the bed. A couple of great features at the foot of the bed here. First and foremost, the hidden storage at the top of the dresser. We were able to make this a few inches deeper, maximizing the storage, and we also upgraded to hardwood tops. You'll also notice 4 massive drawers, and then we've got shoe storage that we just were able to implement below that. To the left of this dresser, you'll also notice that we were able to implement a bench to sit down, and there's also some great hidden storage below that. So with all that being said, I want to personally thank each and every one of you guys. You played a huge role in helping us enhance this product and take it to the next level. Appreciate everything and have a great day.